Welcome! Let's take a quick tour of Sage Intacct Planning, a user-friendly web-based planning application. Sage Intacct Planning provides you with everything you need to make better, faster, more informed decisions for growth as well as track your company's performance. In this video, we'll take you through the application's main capabilities. Use the wizard to help you build your budget. The data can be imported directly from Sage Intacct, an existing Sage Intacct Planning file, or an Excel file. All budget items are gathered together in a tree-like structure that is fully editable and customizable. In the form view, to the right, the data for the selected budget line appears, as well as a preview of its impact on the profit and loss and cash reports. The grid entry view in Sage Intacct Planning provides you the ability to make simple data adjustments quickly. It has the familiar look and feel of a spreadsheet that makes entering data easy and enables you to see more data on one screen. Models enable you to centralize business assumptions, perform calculations based on those assumptions, and then apply the calculations to various areas of a budget. It is a powerful tool to tailor your budget to your specific business needs. After you create a model, you can integrate it into your budget. When you create your budget, past data from actuals can be used to populate your budget. Mapping helps you determine how your actuals data is mapped to your budget lines. Once you set up your budget, you can use the built-in integration to import actuals from Sage Intacct. In the Sheets tab, view financial reports, such as profit and loss, and non-financial reports, such as headcount. You can also view side-by-side comparisons of different versions, such as budget versus actuals. To view specific areas of your budget, sort and filter your reports according to dimensions. At any point, you can create a report of the current information. The default dashboard presents all your key performance indicators, such as revenue, bookings, and headcounts. You can enrich the dashboard with several built-in widgets and effortlessly customize your existing ones. Scenarios let you test how changing budget items impact your plan without making changes to the budget itself. It is a useful tool to help you plan and prepare for different outcomes. For example, you can simulate what might happen if your revenue targets aren't met, or if they are exceeded. With Sage Intacct Planning, you can easily share your budget with your colleagues. You can also share selected parts of your budget. In this video, you have seen how Sage Intacct Planning enables you to easily manage your company's budget. For more information and useful resources, visit our website or contact your Sage representative today.